I'm Larry Mendoza. I am actually the biosafety and laser safety officer here at Janelia Farm, and I'm interested in herpetology, so I got elected as the president of Virginia Herpetological Society this past year. What we recently did, we went out on 2 occasions and did a herpetological survey of the land just to see what's out there. People just don't realize the kind of ecology and nature that is just right there out in your backyard even. We don't even have to go very far. When we did our surveys the first few minutes, we found a turtle in a lake, and there's just things everywhere. You just got to pay a little bit of attention. Herpetology is something that people can touch and feel, unlike birding, where you see the birds, but they're off in a distance. Okay, they're pretty. But herpetology, when you go out and you actually find the turtles and find the snakes and the lizards, you're touching them. The kids, they can actually see them in their hands. And I think that adds a lot of value to herpetology in general, and field herpetology especially. What's beautiful about it is that you can get so many people involved, and you don't have to be an expert. You can be a novice, you can be a kid. The kids are the ones that always find things, and they're the ones that will, they have a keen eye for some reason. I don't know what it is, but so it's very important to have them out there, and that's why I encourage, I invite a lot of the researchers, but mostly I encourage them to bring their kids if they have them. Because as a matter of fact, it was the kids at this past survey that we did that they're the ones that found a lot of the cool stuff. I'm sitting here staring at something, and right next to me there may be something really cool, and it's the kid that points it out to me. I'm like, oh, I didn't even see that there.
Put that shirt on anyway. Put it on your body.
Having a healthy amphibian and reptile population on your land kind of gives you an idea of how well the environment is doing, and it speaks to like good land management. We covered the west and north side of the property and found well over 33 animals and over 11 species, I believe. So I consider that a successful survey. We found a number of box turtles, which is kind of interesting to me because they consider them a tier 3 state threatened species, which means that their populations may be declining. So the fact that we found so many box turtles here, I think that's very important. It speaks to the management of the land. These are all scientists too, so they love doing this kind of stuff anyway. So it's fun, it's educational, it's scientific. So yeah, positive remarks all around the board. We're getting new members signed up now for the nature club that I started here. It's just fun and exciting. The kids love it, and it's a great something to do outside, and enjoy and actually be active and participate in.